Look at this little baby western black rat snake. These guys are honestly even prettier as babies. Ooh. Ooh. He's performing for me. Hey! That's not nice, little man. You're gonna be...
It was like one of the most chillest bites.
That wasn't very nice. This guy is legitimately a hatchling. Like, he's probably only went through, like, his first shed. He is so tiny. Gorgeous little guy, though. Okay, let's go. Put him somewhere where he can find ample food. And be safe from our old barn cats. Luckily for him, we're on 19 acres of farmland. So, like any good farm, we got our pile of wood over here. This ain't going to get cleaned up anytime soon because, well, a tree fell on it. There you go, buddy. Enjoy your nice pile of wood. And he's gone.